I just got a camera and I've always wanted to be able to do this. Anyways, I can't wait to be making more YouTube videos, and this video is going to show you how to upload videos and download videos. So if you have a video editor or you want friends and family just to review your video and leave some comments, this video is going to show you how to do that using a new website made by the wildly popular company Streamlabs. I'm Scarf Plays, and if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. The website Oslo is a game changer when it comes to the content creation field, and it allows people to have an editor that uploads and downloads clips from a website, or you can send this video off to friends and family for them to review, and you can actually see if they watch your video or not, along with so many other features that I'm going to be going through in today's video. If you guys want to go check out the website Oslo, link will be in the description. Thank you so much, Oslo, for sponsoring today's video. Here I am in the interface for Oslo, and this is basically like a Google Drive for content creators, and I really like it about that. They have so many cool features specifically geared for content creators and making their life easier that Google Drive can't really do, and it's a little different. You'll see what I mean. So the first thing that I did is I uploaded a video. You can do this by right-clicking, pressing Upload Media, and selecting a file. Once you have done this, if you want to send this video out to someone for them to review it, you can go to the three dots right here, press share, and then you can add a link name. You can require them to be logged in with Google, and you can allow them to download the video or not. And all you have to do is just copy this link and share it with them. Now you can head over to review links and see the link that you just created and see how many times it's been watched. For me, I've watched my link once, so that's why it has one view. And then you can also disable this link if you want to. And then you can mess with the other settings that we had just previously covered. The next thing we have is upload links, and this is extremely useful if you are a video editor and you have a producer or content creator uploading tons of videos for you to edit together, and then you can go ahead and upload the final product back to Oslo for them to post to YouTube, TikTok, etc. All you need to do is go to create an upload link, copy the link, and send it off. Once again, you have require authentication, you can set an expiration date, and you can even have this protected with a password. Once you do that, you can also activate and deactivate this link just like any other links you send out. The next feature we have up top here is the chat, which is like any other chat, but this is super cool because you can pin messages, and all the important pinned messages will show up on the right side. This is most useful for when you have a big team working on the same video project together and you need to chat away with some video ideas, and if you hit that one important one, you can pin it just by going up to the message and selecting pin the message. The last feature before we get into the cool stuff, which is probably the most important feature, is adding project members. This essentially gives them full control of the project along with you, being able to download clips and upload videos. And all you have to do is go up to the top right, click the plus, and then just type in someone's email, invite them, and they will receive an email saying they are a project member. This allows them to do everything on the project and work together as a team. Now, if you only want someone to be able to upload a video, or you only want someone to review and watch a video, that's what these two links here are for, the review links and the upload links. But the project members is the team that's going to be working on it together. Now this is where things start to get cool. If you go back to media, you can go ahead and click on this video, and this is going to be the video that you want to leave suggestions for your video editor, and he can reply to you, ask some more questions, and it all goes down when you click on the video. And the comments will show up on the right, and you have something specific for your video editor, you can leave a comment. For example, I left a comment right here, and if you click on it, it will bring you up to the comment which says, "Can you trim up this part of the montage?" And then they can go ahead and be like, okay, I'll trim that up. Or if I click on this comment, it shows an arrow pointing to my face saying, can you lower the brightness in this? Now this is a fake comment, but this is essentially how it will work. If you want to add your own comment, go to a portion in the video where you want something to be changed, and then you can go ahead and say whatever you want. And if that's it, that's it. But now if you want to draw on it, point something out, you can click this little marker right here, which will toggle annotations, and you can draw something. If you want to blur this a little bit more or whatever you want, that's how you let your video editor know. Now, if you want that comment to last for a certain duration, you can go down to where the comment is being made by this red circle, and you can drag it out for a certain time frame, and that's where the comment will be. Now, once you and your video editor have gone back and forth with commenting and you have your final product, you can go ahead and change the status of this video to whatever it is currently applying to your video, such as needs review, in progress, ready to publish, or no status if you don't want to mess with that stuff. But once it is ready to publish, you can publish to YouTube straight from Oslo. Now it will upload it privately, but it gets rid of the hassle of going to YouTube and uploading it, which takes a while to do. You can do it straight from the website. Some other features in this include that you can see the metadata, which is all your video stats, your FPS, your size, and all of this stuff. And this video is saved on the cloud, so there's nothing that you need to do to install anything, or it's automatically just faster because it's on the cloud and you don't have to download anything to see the video. Now, if you do want to download the video, that's a whole different story. But in order just to view the video, it's very fast times and all that stuff. Over on the left-hand side, you have different projects you can make, one for your YouTube, one for your TikTok, or you can make new projects for every single video that you do. It's totally up to you. As far as notifications go, there's a notification tab up here, but you can also get notifications sent to your email, which is what I would personally like to do, just so that I see it sooner than going to the website. And you can go to this notification bell, click notifications, and then go ahead and just select whatever options are applicable for you and what you want. And that is the best way to upload any photos, audio, video that you have to your video editor, and they can make a stunning video with that, or just to show your friends whatever video that you just created. And if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you leave a like, check out Oslo in the description, and don't forget to follow my Twitch. I'll see you guys in the next stream or YouTube video.